If you're on HRT and you still do not feel like yourself, you're not doing anything wrong. I hear the same things almost every single day. I thought HRT was supposed to fix this. My levels look right. I'm doing everything right. So why do I still feel like this? And then you do the labs and they come back normal. Some of you look in the mirror and think, who is this person I'm trapped inside of? If that's you, stay with me because there's a reason and it's not the one you've been blaming yourself for. And if you're tired of guessing, here's the one thing I want to do for you. I offer a free virtual body review call. We hop on a video call together from wherever you are and we look at the whole picture. Nothing to come into, it's all online. The link is in the description. Go book a time or keep it open and listen first. Either way, that call is where that actually gets sorted out. Here's what I want to explain in the next few minutes. Why HRT can generally help some things and still leave you feeling stuck, even when your labs look fine. And why the answer is probably not another generic tip and not another dose change on its own. Quick note, or why can I speak to this? I'm Michelle Black, a registered nurse and functional nutritionist, and I work with women in perimenopause and menopause every day. Here's something that surprises most people. About 90% of the women who come to me are already on hormone replacement therapy. They already took the step and they are still asking me, why do I feel like this? So if that's you, you're not alone and you're not broken. So let me explain what may be going on for you. I want to be clear from the start. I'm never going to tell you to change, stop, or adjust your medication. That belongs with you and your prescribing provider, always. Here's how I think about it. HRT is designed to support your hormone levels. And for many women, it helps with certain symptoms. That's real. But how you feel is not run by hormone levels alone. It is also shaped by what you eat, how your blood sugar moves throughout the day, your sleep, your stress, your digestion, and how much muscle you're holding on to. HRT was never designed to manage any of that. So your levels can look right on paper and you can still feel off because those are other pieces that have not been looked at yet. And those pieces are not separate. They feed each other. Let me walk you through an ordinary day because this is where the missing pattern usually shows up. Not in your labs, in your Tuesday. For a lot of women, the day starts with almost no food, just coffee because you're busy or because somewhere you were told that eating less is how you lose weight. But coffee on an empty stomach can nudge your body to release more stress hormone. And starting underfed can set your blood sugar up to swing later. So you're not just saving calories, you may be setting the tone for the whole day. Then breakfast, if it happens, is quick and mostly carbohydrate. Toast, a granola, a little fruit, not much protein to steady it. Carbohydrate without enough protein, fat, or fiber can spike your blood sugar and then drop it. And when it drops, your body reads that dip as a problem and asks you to fix it with a craving. So that afternoon pull towards sugar or a second coffee is often not weakness. It's your blood sugar looking for its next lift. Now, stack normal life on top. Work, other people, 100 small decisions, all asking your body for more stress hormone, which can raise blood sugar on its own and make your body more likely to hold weight around the middle. So by mid-afternoon, you have someone who ate too little early, rode her blood sugar up and down, is running on stress, and is reaching for something sweet just to get to dinner. None of that shows up on the lab. By evening, you're hungrier than you meant to be. So dinner is bigger and later. For some women, eating late along with those blood sugar swings makes it harder to sleep through the night. And you wake up in the small hours and cannot settle back down. So the tiredness is not only about hours in bed, it can be about sleep that keeps getting interrupted from the inside. And this is where it becomes a loop instead of a list. Short, broken sleep can make your body handle blood sugar less well the next day and can raise both stress hormone and hunger. So you wake up more tired, you reach for caffeine and quick carbohydrate, and it runs again. Stress and eating on the run can slow digestion, so you feel bloated and heavy, which makes you want to eat even less the next morning, which restarts the whole thing. And underneath it quietly is muscle. Months of underfeeding and little strength work can let some muscles go. And muscle is part of how you handle blood sugar and hold your metabolism steady. So losing it makes every other piece a little harder. So look at what we actually have. Not one broken thing, a chain. An underfed morning feeds blood sugar swings. Swings feed cravings and afternoon crashes. Cravings and a big late dinner can feed broken sleep. Broken sleep and daily stress feed more cravings the next day. And slowly, muscle and digestion get pulled in too. HRT can be doing its job the whole time this chain runs, which is exactly why you can be on it, have normal labs, and still feel like your body's not responding anymore. Here's a picture of how it looks without naming anyone. A woman in her 40s or 50s already on HRT. Labs normal every time. She skips breakfast and lives on coffee until afternoon. Lunch is light and mostly carbohydrate. She crashes around 3 and reaches for something sweet. Dinner is large and late because by then she's starving. She wakes up in the night. She's stressed, bloated, and has quietly stopped recognizing her own body. Every one of those pieces is common and everyone can feed the next. On paper, she's doing a lot right. In her actual day, the pattern has never been mapped. And that is the thing. You cannot see a chain by staring at one link. You can nail your protein this week, or add a walk, or cut carbohydrate, or ask about a dose change and still not feel better because it's rarely one link. It's how your particular links connect. And that pattern is different to every woman, which is why a generic tip or one more adjustment just doesn't move it. If this is landing, do me a favor and comment the word "this" so I know how many of you have felt like this. So here's what I would love to do with you. And it's the same free virtual body review call. We meet over video wherever you are, so there's nothing to drive to. We look at the whole thing together. Your symptoms, your nutrition, your sleep, stress, your activity, your experience on HRT, and your daily patterns. And instead of guessing at one more piece, we find the pattern is actually breaking down for you and where to focus first. That is the difference between doing everything right and finally knowing what your body needs. The link is in the description. Go book your body review call and let's look at this together. You have already done the hard part. You kept going when it would have been easier to stop. Let us find the piece that has been missed, and I'll see you on the call.